Enter Bollywood. Wanna catch all the excitement of Bollywood? Just log on to zoomtv.in.
Ash और रवि may not be up for some real good news just yet, but इसी साल कई बॉलीवुड सितारों ने शेड किया अपना सिंगल स्टेटस और बन गए शादी के पवित्र बंधन में। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना बॉलीवुड की सबसे lavish और hyped शादियों को याद किया जाए। So let's take a look at the top 5 star weddings that became the talk of the town in our next segment, High Five.
जब सितारों की बारात निकलती है तो सारा इंडिया देखता रह जाता है। With all the hoopla surrounding the star weddings, these glittering functions are as much a public affair as they are private. And since the wedding season is upon us, it's only fair that we get you the lowdown on 5 of the most lavish and hyped weddings of P-Town. Number 5 पर है Aisha Takia and her hotelier husband Farhan Azmi. With total cost running up to about 1 crore, Aisha's shaadi was quite a low-key event with a private ceremony in South Mumbai, followed by a reception in March this year. But marrying the son of city's richest Lok Sabha MP has its benefit. Guest list में शामिल थे Samajwadi Party loyalists the Bachchans and other Bollywood stars like Pritesh Deshmukh, Sunil Shetty, Dino Moria and director Nagesh Kukunoor. नंबर 4 पर है इस साल की सबसे लेटेस्ट शादी when Isha Koppikar and her long-time restaurateur boyfriend Timmy Narang said I do to each other on November 29. Isha's wedding too was a low-key affair that wrapped up within a stipulated budget of 1 crore. Isha की शादी मुंबई के ISKCON टेम्पल में हुई थी, followed by a private reception. While it wasn't an extravagant affair, Isha is sure to fulfill her urge to splurge at her honeymoon the Caribbean way. On number 3 is the shaadi that made more news on the sidelines than the wedding itself. मार्च में हुई अमृता अरोड़ा और उनके बॉयफ्रेंड शकील लद्दाख की शादी cost them about 1.5 crores, but it was quite an action-packed event. Courtesy इस शादी के 2 high-profile guests, शाहरुख खान and सलमान खान. And to top it all, Sallu left the Sangeet ceremony in an auto, but not before he lost his cool, the Sallu style. वैसे इसके अलावा अमृता की वेडिंग थी a truly star-studded affair. While Amu's best friend Bebo was her bridesmaid, the rest of the industry too showed up in full strength. नंबर 2 पर है इस डेकेड की सबसे न्यूज़ी शादी। कौन भूल सकता है मार्च 2007 में हुई ऐश्वर्या राय और अभिषेक बच्चन की शादी। While it may have been one of the most economically concluded events for less than 1 crore, it did have all the trappings of an action-packed Bollywood potboiler. From Abhishek's Sherwani worth 5 lakhs to Ash's closely guarded mehendi, and from the restricted guest list to Abhishek's alleged lover attempting a suicide outside the venue. Everyone wanted a piece of this mega event, and the relentless live coverage assured they got one. But seizing the coveted number 1 spot on our countdown is one of our most recent wedded couples, Shilpa Shetty and her billionaire NRI pati Raj Kundra. Not only is the estimated cost of the wedding to the tune of rupees 5 crore, bride's jewelry alone is valued at 3 crore. In fact, November 24th को मुंबई में होस्ट किए गए शिल्पा के वेडिंग रिसेप्शन की गेस्ट लिस्ट में शामिल थे the who's who of P-Town. By the way, Shilpa ने ठुकरा दिया an offer of rupees 50 lakh from a UK-based magazine to sell her wedding pics and is now off to Bahamas for that exclusive honeymoon. And now it's time for a special mention. Well, Raveena Tandon ने 6 साल पहले अपनी शादी में करीब 1.5 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए थे. She flew all her guests to Jaipur for her lavish and extravagant wedding.